All right, so I cut off here, but it was the D parameter. If I want to lift that up, I have to add something to the model to lift it. And so think of the D as being the elevator that takes whatever picture you have and moves it up. And the elevator can go down if I need it to move it down. All right, so you would cross in D here. And now they want you to estimate the D parameter. They give you the D parameter and they want you to estimate what the A, the B, and D is given as 75. So I'd fill in 75 here. So how do I do that? Just like the first problem, I would just use this solve command up here. And instead of the Y, I'm just going to change and modify what I have here. So the first point has Y equals 2,975. And my X is 2, so I'm going to replace that with 2. But now I have a D, so I'm going to put plus 75. And then here, I am going to put 22,817, which is the Y. And I'm going to replace the X with 4. And everything else stays the same. That's why I just modified this. Be very careful. I'm going to show you one more thing. I'm going to put a 75.0. If you put a decimal inside your solve command, it will numerically solve it, and it will give you a decimal answer, which is what you want. The thing has square roots and ugly things in it. To do this by hand, you use logs. I'm not going to do that here. Especially with the squished calendar we have, let's just get Mathematica to do what Mathematica was made to do. Again, you have a positive and negative. You have a negative b here. That's not what we're interested in. We're interested in this answer right here. And so this answer is what goes into, well, that's nice. I put it in the equation editor. The A goes right here. The B goes right here, and 75 goes here. And you probably have to round. If you're having trouble figuring out how much to round to, it's giving you the wrong answer, send me a text and I will just peek at the way the solution is supposed to be formatted. So that's 973, 224, 2562. My cadets in my section should have me on speed dial. If you're not in my section, all I ask is that you tell me who you are, and then I will give you the response of how your answer should be formatted to fit into WebAssign.